just
Guys, a bit
getting
quieter.
yeah, I'm just getting the boat ready to go down the sounds so we can see if we've suffered any damage down there. Hopefully not. But, the weather has been pretty atrocious in this area.
Not that you'd know it today because look at the beautiful blue skies. But yeah.
Yeah. Right. So,
And so whereabouts are we?
we are in Blenheim. We're at Mum and Dad's place, and well, Dad's place, and my dad's 94 years old, and we're going to look after him for a little bit, and do some odd jobs around the place, and maybe do for some little short trips out and about.
Yeah, just basically basing ourselves around here for a little while.
Yeah, we are. Yeah. Because we can.
Because we can. Yeah, that's the beauty about travelling in a caravan.
Yeah,
which is good. But don't worry, we've still got some video footage. A few months ago, we went to Omarama and Twizel, and I've just found the footage, so I've made it into a bit of a video. So enjoy.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now.
Here we are at Omarama Hot Tubs in Omarama. We've got some hot tubs booked for tonight, and we can also stay here the night. So it's parked over there. So it's $54 each for the hot tub, but it's free to stay. So sounds pretty good. We'll let you know what they're like.
Righto, here we are, coming up to the Wrinkly Ram. Just across the road from the hot pools it is. And we're just going to come over and have a bit of lunch. Dog friendly too, so Holly's pretty happy.
It's really cool. They've even got Tesla charging stations here, and you think, why would they have Tesla charger stations here in the middle of nowhere? But we've seen 3 Teslas today get charged up, so obviously someone's using them.
You guys are in tub 1 this evening.
Yep.
And you're due back into reception at 8 o'clock.
Right.
On how to operate your hot tub, the most important bit. There is a cold tap that sits on the firebox. So to cool the tub down, you turn on the cold tap and let it run as much as you like. Okay? Even if it overflows, it doesn't matter, it just goes into the duck pond.
Right.
So to heat it back up again, you lift up the air vent on the firebox and it will stoke the fire. You're already on the job with the drink, so that's even better.
That's good, yeah. That is good.
So
Tub number 1 we are.
Tub 1.
Yes. Oh, look at that.
We've got water, we've got wine, we've got a little lantern to come back with, because it's going to be dark when we come back.
I think this is tub number 1.
Yeah, where would you say it?
Oh, no, I had to. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
It's tub 2.
Huh?
It's tub 2.
Oh, it says 2. Okay, we've gone the wrong way. Come this way. It's not a good start.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big sign there saying it's like 1.
Yes. Yeah, I know. I see those now.
This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left.
So we're in a hot tub overlooking a lake, overlooking some mountains.
Yeah.
It's awesome. No snow in the mountains, but because it's just got the end of summer.
Yeah.
But yeah, pretty cool. This beautiful stainless steel tub.
Oh.
We've got a drinks box over there. We've got a glass of bubbles and a glass of red and some waters. This is really cool.
Yeah. You want to see what it's like underneath?
From Periscope.
Right, so this is how you make the hot tub hotter. You open this, the air goes in, and whoa, it starts smoking. So we've just arrived at the Tubebuddy Canal, which is a park over property
that is run by the NZMCA. Just had a Twizel, and very foggy today. Should burn off, but that's what the weather report says, but we'll see. Because it looks like it'll be quite a beautiful spot once we can see, which will be great.
He's not keen on coming in, is he? Oh, it's a lovely fish, all right.
Okay, and when the fog lifts, this is what we've got. Look at that. Pretty spectacular. There's 58 kilometres of hydro canals from Tiki to Twizel, and this is a great fishing area, lots of huge trout and huge salmon. There's actually a salmon farm right over there. We were lucky enough to catch up with some friends of friends who took some time out of their day to show us around. Thanks, Graham and Ruth. You're amazing.
Everybody, yep. And have I got Mount Cook in the background? Yes, I have. There we go. Hello. Boom.
From something that's out there somewhere.
Look in the background. Where are we, Sandy?
Mount Cook.
Oh, nice. Want a selfie?
Anyone else would go back.
Sir Edmund Hillary.
But we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind us.
This is one of 8 power stations along the Twizel canals. Look at that, it's just beautiful.
Wow, here we are. Nice part of the world. Sandy, what do you think of this place?
It's so beautiful.
Isn't it nice?
Look at the trees too, the autumn leaves starting to...
Yeah, I know. Very good. Hi Sandy, where are we?
We're in Twizel and we've just driven past this cool little park.
Yeah. It's got a whole lot of machines that were undoubtedly used in the making of the Twizel
Power station.
power stations. Yeah, yeah. So here we go.
It's pretty kid friendly, well it is a park, so kids can just climb all over everything.
Yeah.
It's quite cool.
Oh, look at that. 6V92. Nice. Jeepers, Sandy, some of this gear's just about old enough for me to have worked on it.
Really?
Just about, yeah.
Do you want to have a play on?
Yeah. OSHA-approved playground there. Fantastic.
It is
Euclid dump
a
trucks.
dump truck.
Thanks for watching.